Adaptive backup and recovery is a revolutionary new approach to one of the most core and critical capabilities that every IT department on the planet delivers to their constituents. The traditional approach to backup and recovery tends to be a set and forget exercise, siloed around certain applications or application data sets. But this doesn't work in the new style of IT. In the new style of IT, the data center is a very dynamic, very complex environment, and things such as mobility and cloud computing redefine the boundaries of the enterprise. Yet, as we're reminded almost weekly in the headlines, data protection has never been more important than it is today.
At the core of HP's adaptive backup and recovery solutions is operational analytics, real-time data that the system takes in from across the infrastructure to understand how to best serve current and, just as importantly, anticipate future needs to protect data based on business requirements and resources available. Today, there's a fundamental shift going on in IT, and that shift is being driven by the growth of data, but also the requirements for a 24/7 organization that's always on. And this has a direct impact on the data protection strategies of an organization.
What adaptive backup and recovery does is use operational analytics and business process intelligence to deliver a more complete, more comprehensive data protection solutions, making better utilization of resources at lower operating and administrative costs. In a nutshell, adaptive backup and recovery helps IT make smarter choices to better protect their enterprise at lower costs. UPS is well known as one of the largest logistics companies in the world, and IT is central to them delivering on their mission. Their challenge was consolidating backup and recovery for 1,100 sites scattered remotely around the world and being able to bring one of these sites back remotely within a few hours in the event of failure or disaster. To deliver on this, they chose an all-HP solution consisting of HP Data Protector and HP Store Once technology. This solution is in place today and is delivering on this vision for UPS. The HP Adaptive Backup and Recovery vision was introduced at HP Discover in Barcelona in December 2013. The first phase of this was introduced with Data Protector 8 in January of 2014. In this first phase, we introduced prioritization, the ability of the IT administrator to establish certain applications, groups of users, data sets, sites, as being the most important, and in any backup operation to be given priority. This ensured that the most critical resources for the company were always protected. Phase 2 of the Adaptive Backup and Recovery vision will be introduced in Q2, and there are two pieces to this, Data Protector 9 and a new product in the Data Protector family called HP Backup Navigator. Together, what these provide is predictive capabilities to better anticipate what's coming.
Backup Navigator is a breakthrough in backup and recovery technology. By taking operational real-time analytics and presenting it to the administrator utilizing 75 different KPIs in an interactive dashboard that allows a user to explore and understand not just what's going on, but why and what will likely occur by looking ahead. It gives a holistic viewpoint that allows an administrator to optimize their solution. The solution works with our current line of solutions, but just as importantly is backward compatible through 2 generations of HP Data Protector, allowing it to be a solution that can be used across any enterprise, large and small.
Our investment in adaptive backup and recovery is one of the largest R&D investments that are being made at HP Autonomy. Through this investment, we're able to deliver on the adaptive backup and recovery vision and also tap into the broader HP for innovations such as HP Store Once from HP Labs. We've got a very aggressive delivery schedule that will extend through the next year to deliver on the HP Adaptive Backup and Recovery vision.